Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a product landing page with Unbounce, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your web browser and navigate to the Unbounce website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your email and set a password. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New button. Select Landing Page from the available options. Choose a template that suits your product. Preview the template to ensure it matches your vision. Once you've made your choice, click on Use this template. You will now be directed to the Unbounce page builder. Familiarize yourself with the editor interface. Start by customizing the headlines. Click on the text box to edit the text. Make it relevant to your product and compelling for your audience. Next, add images that represent your product. Drag and drop images from the left panel to your landing page. Ensure the images are high quality and visually appealing. Now, let's add a call to action button. Click on button in the left panel and drag it to your desired location. Customize the button text to be action-oriented. For example, use phrases like buy now or get started. Make sure the buttons. Next, let's include a product description. Click on the text box again and provide key information about your product. Highlight the features and benefits to entice visitors. Consider adding testimonials or reviews for social proof. Use the text or image components from the left panel to do this. Now, let's configure the form for lead generation. Drag a form element onto your page where you want it. Customize the fields based on the information you want to collect. This could include name, email, and additional details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.